Hello guys, how are you? I hope you're having a great family time together. These are the homeworks for this week. Believe in yourself. You can do it. In the page 220 we got portfolio. Create a poster describing the festival you organized on the previous page. Include all the important information needed. You got an example here. Next to that we got self-assessment, learning to learn. And you got to answer this. In the page 220 we got create a poster describing the festival you organized on the previous page. Include all the important information needed. And you got this example. Next to that you need to do the self-assessment learning to learn. While working on this activity I was good at. Next time I try to be better at. I feel my partner was. You don't need to answer this one, okay? And the page 221 we got find the words in the word search puzzle, like in the example, ballet. In the page 222 we got listening. Listen to the conversation track 28. Check true or false. Like in the example, the man is asking directions on how to get to the art museum. True or false? False. Next to that we got listen to the conversation again, write the directions word you hear. And we got this example, turn left. Next, listen to the second conversation, track 29. Check the pictures of the music genres mentioned. And we got this one, rock music. Then you're gonna do work with a partner. You don't have to do that. Answer the questions with complete sentences. And you got an example here. He likes pop, hip-hop, and heavy metal. Remember, you need to answer the questions alone, okay? Next to that, what do you think this idiom means? Keep your chin up. You won't miss the concert. To keep your chin up means to be cheerful in a difficult situation. Okay, that's an example. In the page 331, we got grammar appendix bonus. Activity 1 review. Listen to the conversation. Track 28. Match the columns to complete the sentences. And you got the number 1. Could you tell me? The answer is C. How to get to the arts auditorium. In the activity 2 reinforcement, we got listen to the second conversation. Track 29. And complete the dialogue. Whitney, hey Josh, I have a question for you. What kind of music do you like? That's all for this week, guys. Take care and remember, stay at home. It's cool to be kind. Goodbye, guys.